if you're experiencing issues with voice chat not working in Call of Duty, follow these steps to troubleshoot and unlock the feature. This guide will help you identify and resolve common problems. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in the game are configured correctly. Go to the Settings menu, navigate to the Audio section, and verify that voice chat is enabled and the correct input/output devices are selected. Step 2. Test your microphone. Make sure your microphone is functioning properly. You can test it by using a different application or device to see if it picks up sound. If it doesn't work elsewhere, you may need to replace or repair your microphone. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release patches that fix bugs, including issues with voice chat. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available updates. Step 4. Check network connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for voice chat to work. Test your connection speed and stability. If you're experiencing lag or disconnections, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software may block voice chat features. Check your firewall settings to ensure that Call of Duty is allowed through. You may need to add the game to the exceptions list in your security software. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with voice chat in Call of Duty. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.